Hello friends, welcome to Solution World channel. Tasin here. Today I'm going to talk about what is mean by comments and plugins and widgets. So let me show you actually what is mean by comments section. So whatever people actually whomsoever visit your website, they will try to comment on you actually, or they will try to ask any questions, or else they want to buy something, they will comment on your section. So for this comment section, it will actually show you their name, at the same time what they have commented and actually what they have responded. So let me just show you where it will be in our site. So I'll just get into my post. So let me just visit my site, then only you'll understand. So now we are going to visit our site, and here we can have home, and I have something called my blogs. So now what I'm going to do is, here you can see one comment. I'll just click on this. Now someone has commented actually. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to buy post author. Now I am a websiter actually, I am the owner of this website. So I'll reply to the person, thank you so much. Okay, something I have written, thank you so much. So now what I will do is, I'll just post this comment on my viewers actually. So once I have posted, now the person reply by post author. This is actually reply by me, okay, by the websiter. Now if a person actually who is wants to comment on this, then actually what I'll just let me log out from my site, so that it will show me like as if I am the viewer. So now what people, once they actually come and actually they view, so what they will do is, if they want to leave a reply over here, they want to comment, so it's so nice and cool, they are going to reply, and they have to give their name at the same time. So let me write something called Ram, and they have to write their email ID. Let me just select my own email ID. If they have their website, they can have it actually. So I'll just click on say my name. So I'll just click on post comment. Okay, so now what I will do is, you have already said that it is showing me. So anyways, but it will automatically take, actually already I have commented, so it's just showing me like that. I'll just click a refresh button here, and here you will be able to see, it is nice and cool. Someone Ram has messaged this date, this time, and this was the message. So this was messaged by the viewers, this was the message sent by Tasin actually. So this is how you can send your comments. At the same time, you can also view it. So in your dashboard, where you have to view is, let me just show you in your dashboard where you can view this. This is our dashboard. In our dashboard actually, here you can see something called comment section. So I'll click on comments. So here you can see Ram, Tasin. Actually so many people has actually just commented. I only actually did all this. So this is how it will show you in your comment section. You can have it. So what is this all about plugins? Actually plugins are nothing but actually this is are going to make our work very easy. So friends, for plugin I have separate section actually talking about plugins actually. So in the below description I have a clear idea about how to work on plugins, so you can just go and have a look on that. And now I'm going to talk about widgets. So widgets are nothing but, so the things which are displayed in the bottom section, in the footer or in the sidebar. So that is called what is it called actually, widgets. So whatever you want to add over here, you can just add it. So let me show you where the widgets are placed in your website. So here this is our footer section. So let me just show you, this is our footer section. We have search, recent post, recent comments. This is our footer 1, and this is a footer 2, archives, category, meta, all that is here. So for example, let me just get into here, footer 1, this is footer 2. Now in the footer 2 we have categories and meta, all that. I just don't want this meta, so I'll just delete this. So I have deleted meta from here, and I want something called recent post. For example, I want to add some audio here in the footer 1. So what I'll do is I'll just drag and drop this widget over here. So these are the available widgets. Actually, whichever you want, you can just drag and drop wherever you want. If you don't want this search box there, actually you can just delete this. So once you are done with all this, actually if you want to give a title to your audio, actually let me just give Tasin. So actually I'll save this, and then once I save this, I'll just come down. It is asking me to add audio actually, but right now I won't add any audio. Actually I'll just show you how it really works. So let me just get back to the site, and I'll click on refresh button. I have deleted the search button and also meta. So there is no search button in the footer 1, and there is no meta also actually in the footer 2. And I have added something called recent post is there, and I added actually audio. Where is that? Recent post. This is showing, archive is showing, category is showing, but my audio is not showed because I haven't given this added any audio. So I have to, it is showing me a green color, so I'll just click on this and I'll just add audio. Till I add audio, it won't leave me, so I'll just select any one random audio, and then I'll just click on add to widgets. Now it has got added. I'll click on save. So now I'll click on then done. Now let me just get back to my website. I'll click refresh button. So let's see. So now here you can see our audio has got added over here. We can also even listen to that. Yes. So this is how you can actually add widgets actually to your website. So hope you all have enjoyed the session. If you have not attended the previous session, kindly attend. Go and have in the below description, I have a link for you. And one more thing, if you haven't subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.